Hey dance fans, and welcome to the third Troff tutorial. Today we'll be talking about how to share your songs and markers, because it's fun to practice on your own, but it's even more to share your work and practice with others. So here we have our choreography, we have our markers and our song info. And we've done all this work to add all these markers and info. And now we want to share it with the rest of our show group. We can do this with this button here, share this song to friend via link. If I click this and then I click upload song, it will upload it to the server. And when it's done, I will get a link here that I can copy. And then I can send this link to the rest of my show group. And now I will switch to another web browser who hasn't used Troff before. And I'll go to troff.app. And it will look like this the first time. You'll have to consent to some cookies. And this is the welcome screen, a bit of quick help. And as you can see, I have no songs here. But if I go to this link and hit enter, it will download the song, and when it's done, voila! I get the song, I get the markers, I get the song info, and I'm good to go. So now I can just say, I want to practice this purple part, and off I go. And that is very helpful for show groups. Now let's switch back to our main Troff here. You'll notice that the link I got here is the same as this link up here, because when I uploaded this song, this link changed. It's no longer just troff.app, it's also an ID number here and then the file name of this song here. And if I change this song to another song, you see the link URL resets. And if I switch back to Troff demo, you get this link. So if you lose the link that you shared to other people, you can always find it here. However, if you change something in this song, the markers or the song info, let's say that I remove this marker here, you see the URL is reset. And that is because this song with these markers are not uploaded to the server. So if I want to share this version of the song, I will have to upload it again and I will get a new link. So let's say that we've done some changes to our choreography now. We've changed some markers and we can change some more. Let's say we rename this to spin and this to jump, and maybe I'll remove this one as well. Now if I want to share this version with these markers to my show group, then I'll simply click this button again and upload it again. And now I will get a new link that I can copy and send to my show group. And on their end, they will go to Troff and they will go to this new link and hit enter, and they will get a question. You already have this song with markers. What do you want to do? Do you want to import these new markers? Do you want to merge with the existing markers? Or do you want to keep the existing markers? Basically, don't do anything. But let's say that I want to import the new markers, then you'll see it downloads them, and then you'll see you get the new markers. You have jump and spin, and the deleted markers are gone as well. However, you can also merge the markers when you import them, and now I will demonstrate that. So let's say that I delete these markers here, delete markers there, and let's say that I rename this again to jump 4 times, spin to the left. So now I have new markers here, and as you can see, the URL is reset, so I need to upload this again. Upload song, I upload it, and I get this new link. Copy it, and then I send out this new updated work to my show group. And on their end, they paste it and get the question. And now when they merge with existing markers, it will download the new markers, and then you will see that the deleted markers here are no longer deleted because the markers are merged, so that it will keep the old markers. And then the new markers here, you remember I renamed these to jump 4 times and spin to the left, because there are already markers on this on these timelines. Then it will add the names together, so you'll get both the old name jump and the new name jump 4 times, spin and spin to the left. However, this marker, both the new markers and the old markers had this wave goodbye smiley marker, at the exact same time. So then it won't add the name after each other, but it will just say wave goodbye. And let's switch back to our main Troff here. Now, so what I usually do in my show group is that we have a bunch of songs with markers uploaded on the server, but instead of sending out one link to every song, I have all the links and the songs in a Google spreadsheet with the choreographies here and links to the Troff songs here. That way, if I update a song, I can just update the link here to the newest link, and people can get it that way. It's not maybe ideal, but I'm also working on a way to integrate this in Troff. Now, there is a way to share markers with your show group or other people without uploading the song to our servers, if you don't want to do that. So say that if I want to share the Big Apple song here to my show group without uploading the song, then I can go to Advanced, Import and Export, and then I can export markers and settings. Now here I will get a long text string that I can copy, and then I can send that text string to my show group, and this text string will look like this. It's very long and doesn't make much sense. However, the computer will understand all of it. So what the show group does is, on their end, they have to first import the song manually. So Big Apple contest here. They import the song, select the song, and then they'll go to Advanced, Import and Export, and import markers and settings. And then they'll paste the text string there and hit OK. And voila! They get everything, all the markers, all the song info, and they are good to go. And that's the basics of how to share your work with other people in Troff. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like Troff, please leave a like on this video. And other than that, happy training!